Welcome everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did this tumbler lid. I put fake ice on it. This is so cute, I love it. I will show you how I did it all. And I got my fake ice from Michael Stores. I got it like a year ago, but I had to keep it from my toddler. Okay, and I also use Gorilla mini glue sticks. And I'm using my glue gun too. So these are the only three things that I'm using. And I'm creating a fake ice lid for this tumbler. If you want to see how I did this tumbler, I have a video where I did it, where I did the design, sublimated it and everything. I will link it below for you so you can watch it. Okay. And we also have blank sublimation tumblers in stock. You can get them from our website. We ship out free to you, and we ship out the same day. Yeah, we ship out the same day. Yeah, you can get them from our store. Okay, so this is the lid we're going to use, and let's get started. I'll pour out my fake ice on my table. I have big ones and small ones and middle-sized ones and tiny ones. So I'm going to put a variety. Look at that. I open it, I closed it, and I open it. You have to keep your lid open because you're going to glue everything on top of it. And if you close it, you won't be able to open it again. So it won't. You did it for no reason. It needs to be open, and then we'll start gluing. I'll start with a big one first, and then a small one, and then I'm going to glue them like beside each other, on top of each other, beside each other, on top of each other. So I'm going to build it little by little, bit by bit. So you take your time and glue them on there carefully and glue them in a nice way so that when you look at it, you're happy with your work, you know. Let's do that little by little. So I'm going to be putting them on there, like gluing them. This is a very fun project. I found it to be very soothing and therapeutic, like being busy on my own, doing my thing. Nobody bothering me. It's a very fun project. I love it. Crafting is really, really therapy. So it's coming together a little bit. I keep gluing them on there, and I saw that the glue didn't give like a whitey look. It was just clear like the fake ice itself. So I'm gluing them on there. I wish these had holes on it to make a necklace with them, like make jewelries with them. They look very nice. Yeah, the hot glue will leak a little bit. It will give strings, you know, when you pull it. You have to pull them out. It's very easy to do. You glue them. When the strings come, you take them off. You see me doing that, picking the strings off. Glue more. I love it. It's so nice. I think I will be making more in the future. More of these. I think I'm done. Okay. You see me taking the string off there, right there. I love it. And this is the other one I made. I love it. Cleaning it a really little bit there. Oh, and I'll put it on my cup. You see what I told you? You have to leave it open. If you close it, you won't be able to open it again. So it will be for no use. So when you do it, leave it open and then start gluing on top of it. I love it. I love it. I will make more of these in the future. And then you can add your straw. Yep, you can add your straw in it with your drink and everything. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes. You need to try it. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try it. Look for these at Michael's. Maybe Amazon will have them. The glue, the Gorilla Glue. I think I got it from Walmart. If you don't see it there, check Michael's or Amazon and make it. Thank you so much for watching, and go try it and you see you will enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.